is our principal. We got the best experience and most talented principal who had been working in the international schools as a principal, who had also worked as a trainer all over India. MashaAllah, it is a great opportunity we got to have Hajira ma'am with us, and she has been the architect, she has been the mastermind behind all this progress. So, MashaAllah, let's hear from her. I would say like the history of Islam, we had it like in before Hijrah and after Hijrah. But the history of Ali Public School, I would say before Hajira ma'am and after Hajira ma'am, we have it like totally incredible improvements. Let's give a big round of applause to the most qualified and most experienced and most talented principal, our beloved principal, Hajira Banu ma'am. Over to you, ma'am.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the merciful. Honorable guests, respected management, dear parents, my lovely staff, and the center of attraction of the school, my dear children. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yet again, we have marked another milestone to complete 1 year. We have gathered again to celebrate the school annual day function of Ali Public School. We are here. It's my privilege to present before you the achievements that we have achieved for a year. We started our academic year 2023-24 on May 1st. The first picture shows the assembly of our school where the students are gathered to stand before their classes to finish their prayer. Students from grade LKG to 10th standard actively participated to go green. So here we have some of the glimpses of the students who have been the participants for Environment Day celebration. Soon after the Environment Day, the next event of the school was the training conducted for the teachers by LEAD. I am sure the two parents are aware of LEAD that we have collaborated with, and I am 100% sure that we have seen a great change among the students and also in the curriculum that we have been delivering to the students in the year 2022-23. All the time, the teachers are backed up with the trainers to get trained along with the curriculum that they have been given with. Here is a glimpse of the trainer from LEAD who is training the teachers how to take about the LEAD curriculum, how to show the PowerPoint presentations, how to show or how to conduct the activities. After the LEAD training, we had a DPT vaccination, vaccinated to the students from grade 1, 5th and 10th standard. As a norm from the healthcare, DPT vaccination was given to students. It's again a very important task taken up by the school. Pratibha Karanji, students had participated in a Hobley level and district level competitions held by the BEOs. The students from all across the school, it was an inter-school competition held. Among them, 12 students were the winners. And most of the students had even competed to the district level. In the same academic year, Super 40 students were actually selected, which is one of the achievements of Ali Public School, which is implemented for the year 2023-24. I request all the parents to give a big round of applause from Super 40 students, and I don't hear the sound of the applause. I once again ask the parents to give a big round of applause to the parents and to the students who are really striving hard to attend from morning 6 till night 8 o'clock. Super 40 students batch is being started and it is running successfully, wherein 2 hours are stayed for the students for their academic classes, and rest of the time students are busy with their mazrats to recite and to memorize the Holy Quran. We had an fantastic and fantabulous lead-led conferences which was led by the students. All the students from grade LKG to 10th standard had participated in lead-led conferences. Lead-led conferences were actually meant to showcase the students' learning outcomes which they had learned in their academics. We see all the students from all the classes actively participating. We have yet again another lead-led conferences to be conducted before our annual examinations. Job awareness, we have one of our honored guests amongst us, Sadatullah sir, who has been helping us, who is trying hard to bring up the learning competencies among the students and among our communities to bring up the government jobs. So thank you sir for being a part of this program and helping us in conducting IAS Academy. A big round of applause and a gratitude to Sadatullah sir. Sir was the one who had motivated us and who had accepted to our invitation and has been contributing and is visiting our school and our college to train the students at free of cost, and the students from across Tumkur districts have been called upon to attend the training sessions. DITAC exhibition is a education exhibition held in Bangalore Center, wherein the teachers from our school were allowed to go and look into the innovations happening in education sector. Here are the glimpses of the teachers who had participated in DITAC exhibition, which was held in the month of October in Bangalore Exhibition Center, Bangalore. We had the students from Siddhartha Medical College coming up to our school to have an oral dental checkup, and we had the students undergoing the oral health. Being a school which has to cater to the scholastic and post-scholastic areas, the national festivals of the country was equally celebrated. So here we mark the celebration of Gandhi Jayanti on October 2nd. The school is because of children, and there wouldn't be any school without children. So the Children's Day was celebrated with great pomp and exuberance. Here we have some of the glimpses of Children's Day celebrated in our school. Today's children are tomorrow's citizens. Today's children are tomorrow's resources. So they have to be tuned and they have to be educated holistically. In the same academic year, we had the inauguration of Ali PU College, wherein it was already mentioned that the students who had participated or who have been taken admission as the PU students in our school had come without learning Quran with Tajweed. It is again a great honor and again a great achievement to Ali PU College for training the students who have completed their Nazira and gone to Faida and gone to Nazira. A big round of applause. A big round of applause to the students and to the tutors who are really training the students to learn Arabic verses. It was a promise last year, I remember on the same dais, the same time it was being told that the PU students, whoever have come up without even learning Arabic, will be trained equally. So we have made it, and then we have the students who have completed their Qaeda with Tajweed, and also they have started with their Nazira. A big round of applause once again for the PU students. Swachh Bharat exhibition was conducted. The students from our school had participated with several projects. So here are the glimpses of the Swachh Bharat campaign and a rally by the students of Ali Public School. No boy or a girl feels happy within the four walls. Catering to the joyous learning, the excursions and the outdoor activities as well were conducted and arranged for the students. So we had the students visiting the different offices to get an awareness about the social society that they have to live in. For this, I think I must thank the parents for cooperating and supporting. A big round of applause for the parents for cooperating with us and having trust in our school. A big round of applause for yourselves, parents. As we titled with the lead, the classes are not just in a roadway. It is not just talk and shop, but then students have started to learn activity-based. Activity-based learning has been started not only to the KG students but also to the higher grades. Here are some of the glimpses of the students conducting or doing their activity in their classroom learning. Here, 40 hadiths were memorized and being facilitated by Mufti Sahib. It's not an easy task to memorize or to get to know all the 40 hadiths and also know the translation of it in English. Again, it's an achievement or the milestones that each and every day Ali Public School is stepping with. A big round of applause for this as well. These are all the activities conducted in the school, maybe on the weekdays or when there was a weekly test. September 5th, the Teachers' Day, recognizing the teachers' hard work. Teachers are the weaponless soldiers. As per the government rules, they are not supposed to beat children, they are not supposed to hold the sticks, but still they have to act as the soldiers. So celebrating the Teachers' Day in our school. We had a team of members from Bhatkal who wanted to evaluate the learning happening in Ali Public School. One slide back here. We had a team from Bhatkal. They had actually come and visited our school for inspection and they wanted to see if the curriculum, what they had told us, is being followed in the school or not. So even this academic year, we had Bhatkal people visiting our school. Talking about a national festival, Independence Day was celebrated with great pride and valor. A big round of applause. I request the parents to clap for your children. It is not to the school you're clapping, or it is not for me or for the management. It is for the students those have really participated and actively done their activities. Your claps, your motivation will really bring them up with full energy. Kannada Rajyotsava, even that November 1st was equally given importance, and Kannada Rajyotsava was also celebrated in the form of different activities. The students from different classes were given different activities, like to find out the districts in Karnataka, the types of crops grown in Karnataka. As such, even Kannada Rajyotsava was equally given importance, and the awareness about Kannada Rajyotsava and the importance of Kannada language was brought in among the students. Sound mind in a sound body can happen only when we have an active physical education in the school. So, to make the students more active and proactive, we had the sports day celebration as well. The students had actively participated in the activities and the sports competitions held in the school campus. Again, creating leaders. I don't think so, not even a single week has been passed by wherein the parents are not updated about the students coming on stage and talking. I completely challenge and ask you all to have a survey across Tumkur district and find out the number of students in a school speaking, coming out on the dais and speaking at least 4 or 5 sentences with flawless English. Do we find that? Do we find that, parents? We find a change happening in Ali Public School wherein the students are coming out and they are speaking very fluently. May I ask your yes or no in this regard? How many of you agree to this? Even if I cannot hear, you can put your thumbs up. Thank you so much. Mr. Harris, our manager, had been to Hyderabad and was trained under Munawazama, and he's been taking forward the learnings that he had acquired from Munawazama to the students, and this is happening in IAS Academy. Thank you so much for your services, sir. Rahmani 30 was also one of the event which happened in Ali Public School. The management happened to meet the proprietors of Rahmani 30, wherein they had asked us that they would give some set of questions wherein the students were supposed to answer those questions. Among them, I must proudly say that we had so many students from different schools participating, but the highest score was actually scored by Ali Public School students. A big round of applause for this. Of course, yes, Bismillah ceremonies are frequently happening wherein most of the students of different levels are finishing their Qaida and moving on to Nazira. This is not the least. There are many more things to come up. The next programs or the next milestones that we are about to achieve or that we are stepping into is that we will next have planning to have CBSE school. This we are come on telling from last year, but still the process is under process. The formalities to get CBSE affiliation is under process. I request you all to remember Ali Public School in your precious dua so that we very soon get our school affiliated to CBSE and it shall have central board syllabus to be implemented in Ali Public School very soon. And with this, we are even looking forward for many more students like Super 40 to participate and to contribute and to learn Quran so that they may become Hafiza at the earliest and continue with their academics. With this, I conclude my annual report. I don't want to give many or much more promises which we cannot achieve it. Let us go with small steps so that we achieve to whatever we speak, and let us work according to what we are definitely capable of doing. Thank you so much.
A team who have been working hard for this miles and miles of achievements of miracles and with the support of our management. So I also thank and let's give a big round of applause to our management.
I have just forgotten my staff for thanking them for their vendorous or restless contribution in taking up the classes. 2-3 teachers had to give up because of their ill health, and a big round of applause to my beautiful and what should I say, the dynamic staff for keeping up or for not letting any of the classes just go because we don't have the teachers. So one round of applause for our lovely staff. Thank you so much. And also our non-teaching staff is equally working hard and keeping up to our norms. Thank you so much.
Bismillah.